What's going on? My name is NFT Flenny, and today I'll be going over the news that just dropped that the Ecomi token will now be listed on the exchange OKEx. So this is super exciting for two main reasons. First of all, those of you who have been following this stuff for a while, you guys know that according to David, we were supposed to get a new exchange back in May. And so we've been patient, we've been waiting all summer, we finally got it, so that's really exciting. The second important thing is that exchanges are one of the things that Ecomi has been lacking the most. For a project with so many licenses, so many reputable brands, so many partnerships, it's pretty interesting that it's still hard to get, it's not very accessible, but that's all changing, and we see a perfect example of that with this new exchange. In my last video, I talked about how I think the move to Immutable X will be such a big catalyst for Ecomi and the price, mainly because that will allow Ecomi to be listed on every exchange in the world, and Dan had said that they have 4 to 5 major exchanges lined up by the end of the year. And at the time of recording this, the price of Ecomi in the last 24 hours has already gone up 21%. So just think about when Ecomi gets listed on exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin. If this exchange can provide this much of a boost to the price, imagine what a world-class top-tier exchange can do. So that's why I'm super excited about this new move, this new exchange. I think it's a great sign of things to come. We're just getting started. With that being said, let's start looking into this exchange. As you can see, as posted by Ecomi on Twitter, it's official. OKEx is the new home of OMI. Create your account with this link for your chance to win some OMI thanks to OKEx. So there's a little competition / giveaway where if you use that link and make an account and deposit some OMI, you'll have a chance to get free OMI back to you. So unfortunately, this exchange is not available in the US, so I cannot participate in this competition giveaway, but I encourage anyone who is able to, might as well do it, right? Ecomi's pinned tweet is a link to a Medium article talking about the new exchange, and so I'll just go over that really quickly. So OMI is now listed on OKEx exchange. The OMI token has a new home, and it's on one of the most popular exchanges in the world. So OKEx has quickly become one of the top exchanges in the world, servicing more than 20 million customers in over 200 countries. That's insane. I did not realize the reach of this exchange. This is something that I really want to focus on and touch on because I think it's really important in removing a barrier of entry to people who are maybe intimidated by crypto. So right here, the exchange offers crypto to crypto and fiat to crypto trading, providing a seamless fiat on-ramp from 30 major currencies, as well as iOS and Android apps so you can trade on the go. So this is huge because being able to deposit money directly into an exchange just makes life so much easier. You don't have to worry about exchanging one crypto to another, sending crypto from exchange to exchange, paying fees, potentially having it get lost if you don't copy it right, anything like that. This just makes things a lot easier and more accessible and more likely for everyday people to be interested in investing and buying. So I'm not going to read everything in this article. I don't want to waste too much of you guys' time when you can read it yourself if you're interested. I just want to touch on the main points. But the OMI token will be open for trading on August 2nd. The pairing is OMI to US dollar tether, opens at 7 a.m. UTC on August 2nd, and spot opens at 10 a.m. UTC August 2nd as well. And so here's more info on the celebration giveaway. So I said you could have a chance to win more OMI tokens. What I forgot to mention was you can also win a Jermaine Rogers Choices Bunny. So here's how you participate. You must register using the link in the article. Make sure you use the link. Trade or deposit any amount of OMI on OKEx before August 12th. So 2,000 accounts can win 10,000 OMI tokens, as well as the Jermaine Rogers Choices, the Hunter, and Lucky. And Lucky, as we all know, is the secret rare. So here's how you create an account. Here's some more info. Again, I'm not going to take forever on it. If you're in the US like me, and you can't use this exchange, consider some of these. I know not all of them are available, but also Uniswap is available for anybody, so just keep that in mind. In Ecomi's Medium article, they mentioned $18 billion in daily trading. When I went on CoinMarketCap, I saw 14 billion, but then on this link with the top exchanges, it shows 4.2 billion. So I'm not sure exactly what's going on with that, but either way, huge volume. As you can see, we got Binance with almost 17 billion and then 2, 3, 1, 1, 1. So even though the ranking is pretty low, if you look at the volume, it's actually just behind Binance compared to the coins that are ranked above it. So this exchange is no joke. So it's ranked low, but if you sort by trading volume, it's actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th. So this exchange is nothing to scoff at, nothing to laugh at. This is the real deal. Here we can see their trading pairs. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polkadot. They also have their own native coin. As you can see, they have all types of stuff, all types of coins, great selection, still going. The article said they have over 200 trading pairs, and yeah, we can see that here. So this exchange is legit. So when I go to this website, I'm met with a message saying that I'm unable to access OKEx products because I'm in the United States. So I can't make an account, but their partner exchanges, OKCoin, I went over there, made an account over here, but as you can see, I tried typing it in. OMI is not a trading pair, so that's a bit disappointing, but I'm not tripping because I've been able to buy some Ecomi already, and I know that more exchanges are just around the corner. And just to be safe, I wanted to double check that OKCoin was available to be used in the United States, and I found this on Google in Investopedia. US residents can access the platform through OKCoin USA, a money transmitter and registered money service. These are exciting times to be in the Veve and Ecomi community, to be an investor, just be involved with this product in general. This is a great sign of things to come. This is just the start of the exchanges. I really believe that Ecomi will be on every exchange in the nearer than people probably think future. That's just my opinion. Again, none of this is financial advice. I'm not telling you guys to invest in anything. Just providing info, knowledge, my 2 cents. So if you want to buy some Ecomi and your local laws allow for it, go check out OKEx. Also, don't forget, if you're able to, join that giveaway. You could potentially get 10,000 OMI tokens and some cool collectibles from Jermaine Rogers. In my first video, I had an idea to do a picture of the day at the end of every video. Not gonna lie, I've been forgetting. So I'm not gonna forget this time. Here I've got a picture of myself feeding the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man, and he looks more than happy to be being fed some crepes. Well guys, that about wraps it up. This has been NFT Flenny. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.